Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make a WordPress website in 5 minutes. This is the method I use for creating my client's website. First of all, search profreehost.com, then click on the first link that comes up. Next, we are going to click on Register and enter the details. Now we need to verify our email address. Once you verify, click on Create New Account. So now we are going to choose a domain name for our website. Wait a few seconds, then refresh the page. Click on Manage. Then click on Control Panel. Scroll down and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Now we're going to install WordPress on our domain. Once it's done, type wp-admin in the domain name. We are going to type the username and password we set up when installing WordPress. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Then click on Plugins and add a new plugin named Astra Starter Templates. Once it's installed, activate it. Now choose Elementor as your web builder, as it is the easiest to use. Here you can see a bunch of templates to choose from. You can see that the theme has been applied to our website. Now we are going to edit it. You can click on any gadget to edit it. Here, you can link your button to a different link. For example, you want to redirect it to your Facebook page, just paste the link. Here you can see the button works. Just like that, we are going to edit all the details. And here we can see all the changes. Next, we are going to click on Dashboard, then Pages. From here, you can edit all the other pages. And that's how you create a website in 5 minutes. If you would like a detailed video on this, let me know in the comment section below.